welcome back here in our channel. So we're here in AUBRY's kitchen. We're here in our camper, guys. So today, guys, I'm going to share to you my own version of enchiladas. So usually the enchiladas, they make it roll, but today I make it layer, guys. So just like a lasagna, when you make a lasagna, you make it layer, layer, layer. So enchilada pie. So that will be, yeah, enchiladas pie. That's what my husband called. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. And here's the ingredients, guys. Use corn tortillas, white, and we have a Fiesta blend cheese and white onion. I love lots of onion. And this is optional, guys, if you want to add it black olive, since I have here in our pantry, so I just toppings on that. And of course the red enchilada sauce, so I used to buy the bigger one can since it's more cheaper than the smaller one, so they call it a small value size. So this one is a mild one. And of course lots of tomatoes and whole kernel corn. And I have a ground beef here, which is 80 lean and 20% fat. And of course, a taco seasoning mix. So, let's get started, guys. The meat is ready. So everything is ready, guys. So I already heated the corn tortilla here. So my meat, and we have black olives and the cheese, and we already heat the enchilada sauce. So this is where I'm going to put it here, guys. So it layer. So first I'm going to put the enchilada sauce there. So that's it, guys. We'll put some cheese on top.
Researchers estimate that more than 272,000 Americans have recovered from the coronavirus. Every recovery is a cause for celebration. But this one in Albany, Georgia, deserves special mention. Here's the Harold Jenkins
Good?
Uh,